Introducing the 2025 Cupra Born E Boost 77 kWh. This powerful and stylish 5-door estate boasts 231 horsepower and comes in a sleek white exterior. With electric fuel type and automatic transmission, it's as convenient as it is efficient. Loaded with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning, you'll feel secure on any journey. Plus, with luxury trim, 360 view camera, and privacy glass, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured with a full health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.